Good morning, friends. This is Ansi from Lifestyle Today News Delhi. Today is 19th February 2024, and in Delhi, today the temperature is 14 degrees centigrade. It's hazy sunshine and it's little windy today. And the daytime, the temperature will double at 28 degrees centigrade. And yesterday, it was quite hot in the afternoon. The sun rose at 6:57 a.m. and the sun will set at 6:14 p.m. Why I tell about the sunrise and the sunset is so that you can plan your day that way, plan your food intake that way when the sun is there. So that's the best time to take the food that will digest better, and our body, as a human being, we are part of this nature and we are conditioned to have food during the when the time the sun is there. So try to wake up early as possible by 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the morning, and go to sleep early in the night. So you might say that, see, our job timings are not that way. So if you make some tweaks to your lifestyle, then you can meet the goal. I met a person in the park whose work is every day in the night, and he returns home by 6 in the morning. And as soon as he comes to the park and does some workout for 1 hour, then goes home, has breakfast, does some household chores, and then goes to sleep. So making use of the daytime uh, as much as possible, according to the possibility that he has, he's doing his work, so that doing justice to the daylight. So, and most of the people, I think, who have night shift, they have holidays on Saturdays and Sundays also. So 2 days you can um, uh, wake up in the daytime and plan things like that way. So everything is possible as long as you have the willpower. So if you have anything against what I am telling, please, or anything supporting it, please do put it in the comment box. And so the air quality today is 210, which is unhealthy. The particulate matter and the nitrogen dioxide, we have to do something to clean up the air, dear friends. So, dear friends, yesterday I went to Faridabad and I find that there also the pollution is high. So we have to do something. There is nothing. We all, so many people are suffering. We all are suffering. So let's find out some way to clean up the air in Delhi, and we can lead a happy life. And the topic that I'm going to talk today is about AI. Will AI replace humans? And when the open AI, the chat GPT was introduced in the end of the last year, we were like, now everything is over. Human beings have nothing more to left. We are gone. But after this, around 6 months of using this AI, and me being a content creator, and my expertise is in content creations and videographies and news and information and all that. What I can say from the expertise and what from the data that we get, that see, the happy news is the content writers mm, are have yet not lost their jobs. Many people thought that, okay, now that the AI has come, we will generate all the information online, and the content can be made online, so no need of content writers anymore. See, but what we find is that 90% of the content that is online, the ones that is written by the human beings, that is faring better on the internet, and only 10% of the AI generated content is doing good. It's not just content. I'm talking about content writing. Other fields also will have something similar to say. I'm sure about that. And content writing, the thing is, the reason for that, it is said that uh, AI is creating the content based on all the information that is there on the web, that is prior to 2023, and from that they are creating the content. What happens is, human brains, only a fraction of the human brains has been exploited. We have got so much of power. We can move a mountain if you want. That is the kind of human brain that everybody has. So we have got so much way of thinking and exploiting things. That's why I talk about the Jugaad technology, or the indigenous hacks that the people use at different places. That's a wonder. So we have got so much of brains, and so because of that, when the content is being written by a person, they will think about the future. They have got the information, they are storing the experience, the practical experience. So many things come into play when they write a content. So that kind of difference is coming up in the field of content writing, as far as I know. And the second that I find is Sora. The Sora is the video maker. The video maker has come from AI. So now the question, the job of the actors and the cameramen and the editors, all that is gone. That's what we feel. And the one example of Sora is like, if you give a command, it will make a video. For instance, if you say that, uh, make me the video of a surgeon who's doing a surgery, and it will give you a 1 minute video of a surgeon who's doing a surgery. And yeah, one yesterday, the X was flooded with or X of Twitter was flooded with the Sora created images. So in that, one person had asked Sora to make a video of a person who shoots at a running car and blasts the tire, and the car revolves in the air, and when the car is revolving in the air, he pulls out the person inside the car and puts the pistol on that person. So and the video came was of Ajay Devgan's movie. So in that way, it was very interesting. Some videos were made, and in that also the problem that was noted was about when few days back somebody showed the video of a lady, elderly lady, cutting cake, birthday cake. And the problem in the picture was, the crowd gathered around, they were clapping, and it was looking like robotic clap, slow clapping. It was looking like some robots were sitting and clapping. So that the reality, the realistic thing, the human touch, the connection, that is missing right now in AI. And I don't know when that kind of connection the AI will be able to do. But that is one side of it. What I find there is that the last week the farmers protest in India, and how the technology was put to test by the indigenous hacks. The farmers are known for their hacks, and they're experts in that, and they just um, put a question on how much technology can survive in front of the indigenous hacks. So it was the human brains versus technology at the farmers strike. Like, the to counter the tear gas that was coming their way, they used toothpaste, or they smeared toothpaste on their face. And to shut the tear gas, they put wet sacks on the tear gas, and also uh, they used fans. And the ultimate that made everybody think was the drones with tear gas that were coming. They used kites to stop the drones. So this is the kind of thing that a human brains can do with us, with a kite, a plaything, a traditional plaything. You can stop the technology from moving forward. So this, that is why I say that the technology has a long way to go, and and I don't know when the technology will be really be able to, will it be ever able to overtake man? That is a question. So there's a funny incident about the Jugaad or technology, or the indigenous technology, with farmers, that some 30 years ago, when the hair dyes were introduced in India, but the company found that the dyes was being used maximum by one village. So they went to the village and they found that the farmers were using the dye to darken their buffaloes, because the darker and the shinier the buffaloes are, it will get, the market price will be more. So what the scientific, the intellectual community is thinking, and what the grassroots level community can do, that is a question. And they have, so you have so much to explore. Staying close to nature, that is what helps them. So that is why I say, wake up with the sun and do everything with the sun, then you will have a better brain to deal with all that. So man is fallible and God is infallible. So man creates mistakes, and the man who is fallible is creating the technology. So definitely there are some mistakes in the AI and all the technologies that we are creating, and we are, whatever technologies has come so far, there are some loopholes, something that can be countered by human being. So my dear friends, if you are worried that your jobs will be gone with the I would like to say that stay active, stay updated, remain abreast with whatever is going on in your industry. Then you won't have a problem, because man is creative. You know how to survive. We have survived so many the survival of the fittest. So that is there. So we have got the, use your brains and you, do something, stay active, have a willpower, so that you can no, counter the AI and the technology, and you can do something so that you can survive and have a livelihood in this world. So dear friends, do you have, if you have anything to say about this topic, please do it in the comment box, if you agree with me or don't agree with me. So thank you so much, and I'll come to tomorrow again with a new topic. Thank you.